Hi, this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder, and we thank you for joining us. Today we're featuring application of the boot panel found on the 2020 to current Can-Am Spyder RT and RT Limited. What you see dry set to the bike right now is a beautiful blue metallic. It's an insert that's created to protect and fill that whole boot panel area in under the seat on the RT. We do offer this product in our clear Expel paint protection film, but we also have it available as solid colors, as well as some of our digital wrap kits as well. So today we wanted to feature the ease of use using our high performance automotive marine grade wrapping film. Again, we have a variety of colors and textures available, but this one here primarily is to show you placement and application techniques using the dry method. Now, I will tell you that placing this panel in position is the biggest challenge because of the shape. It will take several attempts of picking it up and laying it down. And the reason is because of this cupped area and allowing the stripe to fall where it's supposed to fall. So once you have it positioned and you like how the film is falling, we have it just lightly tacked here, but it's basically in position. And this really highlights the ease of use of our wrapping film when you apply it. So once you have it into position, then you have the ability to pick it back up to start your application. So it's tacked in place, it's not squeegeed down, but we do have it where we want it generally. So again, being automotive wrapping film, you do have the ability to pick it up and reposition it multiple times. And of course, that's going to help you have a successful application. So once you have it tacked and it's in place, laid out, you like where it is, you've of course prepped your surface, 70% rubbing alcohol, paper towel. All of our videos share surface prep. Application temperature 65 degrees and warmer, then you can start your install. So as we always recommend, you start your install from the middle of the panel, working your way from the center to the outside of the panel, and then you can work in whatever direction you would like. So because this film is so user-friendly, basically it pushes the air bubbles out if there are any. Of course, you want to have good tension in each direction if you can to help that film fall where it's supposed to fall. But basically you're going to squeegee from the middle to the outside, and as you can see, you can go right into the cupped area and the film falls into place. And that's what helps most of our owners to be able to apply the product, is the quality of the film that we're using. Now as we work our way to the back, again, we're in the middle of the panel and we're squeegeeing from the center to the outsides. And if you need to, you can pick the film up. You can apply the necessary tension that you want and work from the middle to the outsides of the film. And you can see it's very, very user-friendly. The film falls into place, doesn't trap air, and that's going to help you to have great success. Again, the hardest part of this panel, no doubt, is positioning. Once you get it positioned where you want it, the application of squeegeeing it out is definitely not that bad, especially if you start from the middle and work your way to the outer edge. So now that you have the panel in place, of course, as you can see, this video is shot in real time. The longest part of this application, of course, like I had mentioned, is positioning it. But once you get it positioned in place, the squeegeeing it out, getting it applied, is quite simple, working from the centers to the top as we showed you. So just to give you kind of an idea on how it looks, that is the boot panel on the 2020 Can-Am Spyder RT Limited in this particular case, and this is part of a full body insert that's being applied. So we certainly hope that this video is helpful, and of course you can email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com, and we'll do our best to answer any questions that you may have on our YouTube channel. We do have a lot of videos featuring our products and how to apply them successfully, but of course we're always happy to assist if we can. So we again thank you for watching, and you can shop online at wrapmyspyder.com. Thank you.